StudyFetch is an AI-driven study platform built to help students learn more effectively while saving time. In this review, we'll explore what it offers, where it shines, and where it might fall short so you can decide if it's right for you. The platform includes a range of smart tools designed to simplify studying. It can quickly turn notes, documents, or other materials into structured study content. There's also round-the-clock AI assistance for answering questions and reviewing essays, along with automatically generated flashcards that use spaced repetition to help you remember information longer. StudyFetch also creates customized quizzes and exams based on your progress, giving you insights into what you're doing well and where you need improvement. You can join study groups, and there's even a visual AI feature that helps break down complex diagrams into easier-to-understand formats. Other useful tools include a live lecture assistant that transcribes notes in real time, tailored educational videos, and support for more than 20 languages. There is a free version available, but it comes with limited access. Some users have pointed out a few downsides, such as occasional bugs in the mobile app, AI-generated notes disappearing, audio recap interruptions, and performance inconsistencies across different devices. It's also important not to depend entirely on AI when studying. Using it as a support tool works best. As for pricing, the premium plan costs $8 per month when billed annually at $96, or $19 if you choose to pay monthly. Both options unlock full features, including unlimited AI chat, uploads, practice tests, flashcards, the live lecture tool, and up to 20 tutoring sessions each month. Choosing the yearly plan saves about 57% compared to the monthly option. One user mentioned that StudyFetch is great for organizing study materials and making use of tools like flashcards, quizzes, and AI chat. However, they also noted that the AI isn't always reliable, especially for subjects like physics, and sometimes needs extra guidance to produce accurate answers. Overall, StudyFetch can be a powerful companion for students looking to stay organized and study more efficiently with the help of AI. Despite a few minor issues, it still offers solid value for improving productivity and learning smarter. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay focused and keep learning.